Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to convert PDF to PowerPoint document. Open your favorite browser. Go to ilovepdf.com. Click on PDF to PowerPoint icon. Click on Select PDF file, or you can drag and drop the PDF file here. Select the PDF file you want to convert. Click Open. In the right sidebar, click on Convert to PPTX button. Wait for few seconds. Click on Download PowerPoint button. Once the download is complete, click on the file to open it. As you can see, all the pages on this PDF is converted to PowerPoint slides. This is how you can convert PDF to PowerPoint document. Thank you for watching.